Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hire a car on the eDreams application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the search button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then tap on the cars option in the middle. Then you should select your pickup location, so type it in into the search bar. Then you should select the date, so the departure and return date, so set the pickup date and then the return date. Then click on the continue button, tap on search for cars after setting the pickup time and the return time. Here you can find the relevant results, so tap on a car that you would like to hire and click on the button continue if you are satisfied with it. Here you can check out the premium cover, limited cover options, then tap on add and continue. Then you should fill out this form in order to finalize the process of hiring the car, adding your name, email address, phone number, country, region, flight number, but it's totally optional, and then your address. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.